Greetings everyone, my name is Grace and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a recipe that is such a simple, delicious smoothie that I really want to share with you guys, and it is a chocolate peanut butter banana smoothie. It really reminds me of more like a milkshake, but it's a bit healthier than that. So let's talk about the ingredients. You're going to need 2 ripe bananas. You're going to need about a tablespoon of peanut butter. Whatever peanut butter you like is fine. I'm going to be using a chocolate almond yogurt. You most definitely can still use a vanilla one. And then I have some almond milk with me. This is optional, but I add hemp seeds into most of my smoothies just for the additional omega-3s that are good for you. And then you'll need about 1 cup, half a cup to 1 cup of ice. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I have my little Nutra Ninja, and I'm gonna add my bananas. I am a fan of very ripe bananas for my smoothies, but if you don't mind the not so ripe ones, feel free to use those as well. It's really just based on preference. Especially when it comes to smoothies, you can add more of something or take something out and replace it, so it's really awesome. All right, and then I am going to add in my Silk almond milk. This one's dark chocolate coconut. It's so bomb. I love it. I'm gonna scoop that in. I make this smoothie for myself and my kids, and they think it's like a milkshake most of the time, so they really enjoy it. It's good for pretty much anyone that enjoys chocolate. All right. I'm gonna add in my tablespoon of peanut butter. Oops, that's a lot. Get that in there. Close that baby up. And then, like I said, it's optional to do the hemp seeds. I really like it because I feel like I'm getting a little bit more of a healthy treat inside. So I try to make my meals count, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna pop those in there. And you really can't taste those. So if you think you're gonna be able to taste those, you really can't. I'm gonna throw in about 1.5 cups to 2 of almond milk. And this really just depends on if you like your smoothies really thick or if you like them a little bit on the thinner side. I'm gonna pop in a little bit of ice as well. I don't know about where you guys live, but it's pretty hot in California already, so I definitely need some ice in my smoothies. All right, let's get to blending. A blender at home. Please consider buying something like the Ninja. It's really easy to clean and it's small, so it doesn't take up a lot of space in your kitchen, and it's very strong. Okay, so it's all blended up. Let's pour it in. It smells so good. I'm gonna top mine with a little bit of whipped cream. It just makes it a little fancier for yourself or your loved one, whoever you'd like to give it to. I'm gonna put a little bit of chocolate syrup on top. That's basically like no calories at all, so don't feel guilty about that. And then pop a straw in it, and we're gonna try it. All right, so we're all done blending up our delicious little smoothie. You can have a refreshing treat like this in less than a few minutes, and you can share it with your family. I'm telling you, I've made about 1 million smoothies in my lifetime, and this is one that I always go back to, and I'm sure it's because it reminds me of a chocolate peanut butter milkshake, but it has way less calories than that. So if you guys have any questions, comment below. Let me know if you have any tips or if you modified the drink in any way, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Peace out.